Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Upgrade. In this video I will teach you how to point your domain to your hosting. For example, I have purchased my hosting from Hostinger, but my domain is on Namecheap. Now I want to create a website from Hostinger and point my domain here to Hostinger. To do that, so now let's create a website. So click on create and skip it and create a new website. Now I will click on escape and I will use an existing domain, which is wp-school.site, and I will continue this. And now here it says provider is Namecheap, existing name servers, which is the correct name servers from Hostinger. And how you can do that, let's go to our Namecheap account and log into your account. The process is very similar. It is a very easy process. It doesn't matter where your domain is hosted or where is your hosting. And here there is my domain. I want to go to manage and now click on how to connect domain to Hostinger. It will show the Hostinger name servers, which is this is the first one and this is the second one. I want to copy this one first, and I go to my domain and here click on name servers and click on custom DNS and paste your DNS server and copy this one and paste it here and click on save. And sometime it will take some hours to get connected to your hosting. And now I come here and click on close, click on continue, and we are almost done now. And now let's view website, and there is nothing here yet. And let's go to manage site and install WordPress. Go to onto installer, select WordPress, write your website title. This is your administrator email. This is your username. This is your password. And here you will write your password. Click on next, install. Now I have installed WordPress on this website. Now I will check that. Nice, the WordPress is completely and successfully installed. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video. And also subscribe to Coding Upgrade for more video tutorials. See you in the next video.